Hello friends and welcome back to the Revision channel. So friends, today I will talk about GameMax Blade Concept ATX gaming chassis. So friend, GameMax has announced the Blade Concept ATX gaming chassis, our flagship gaming chassis featuring a visually striking line-inspired design in the open frame layout with a massive interior to support high-end configuration and the eye-catching front panel feature high-strength nylon wave with metal for perfect fusion of technology and aesthetic and it's allow air to pass through while trapping dirt and debris and advanced dust filtering mechanism. So friend, the GameMax Blade Concept chassis support an aggressive pro-style front panel design with RGB lighting inspired by the high performance gaming motifs and the RGB illumination emphasize sharp angle and bold counters, creating a one-of-the-kind chassis unlike anything else in the eye-catching look. Even in the dark, and every aspect of Blade concept reflect precision engineering constructed entirely with all metal CNC machining, laser cutting, and high precision modeling, and the result is a structure that's put streaking and structurally redefined, merging artistry and durability, and for connectivity is equipped with modern swappable I/O panel that can be placed on either the left and the right side of chassis and installed on the left by default. And the I/O panel include dual USB 3.1 port and one Type-C Generation 2 port. The case support up to ATX motherboard will include PCIe 4.0, PCIe Riser for vertical graphics card mounting, and the chassis support up to 360 radiator, and it's perfect for custom liquid cooling. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.